A key part of aquarium maintenance is the water change, which should be performed about every 2 weeks. Subscribe to Elysium, Blissful State of Mind, a place where we learn together. In most cases, 10 to 15% of the tank volume is sufficient. A good method is to replace the water extracted while vacuuming the gravel, which will eliminate uneaten foods and other residues that settle on the substrate. It is highly recommended to check the water parameters of both the tank and replacement water. Most tap water, or city water, contains either chlorine or chloramine. Chlorine will air out rather quickly, kept in an aerated bucket for 24 hours. Chloramine equals chlorine plus ammonia, will not. Using a water conditioner will neutralize the chlorine in both cases, but ammonia will still be present in the latter. It has to be broken down by the nitrifying bacteria present in the aquarium. This will take longer than your fish can tolerate. Well water is usually harder than tap water, but is chlorine and chloramine free. Filtered water should also be checked on a regular basis and should be considered part of your aquarium maintenance routine. The filter membranes could be damaged or may require replacement prior to the expiration date. Aquarium filtration. The proper function of the filter is essential. Filter inserts like floss, argon, and activated carbon should be changed at least every 4 weeks. A high fish load may require shorter periods. Trapped particles will decompose in the filter as they would in the tank. The filter should also be cleaned once a month. Do not touch the biowheels if present, by using the water extracted from the tank during the water change. Recommended aquarium maintenance routine. Daily. Make sure the equipment is running properly. Watch your fish during feeding. Behavioral changes are a good indicator of a potential problem. Weekly. Count your fish. In case of fish death, smaller species can decompose quickly, resulting in ammonia and nitrite spikes, and eventually high nitrite levels. Every other week, test your water for the vital parameters of pH, carbonate hardness, nitrite, and nitrate. Change 10 to 15% of the water. Vacuum the gravel. Clean the aquarium walls. Filter floss is fairly cheap and very efficient. Start from the bottom upward and rinse out often. Rinse out filter inserts or the cartridges with the extracted water. Monthly. Replace filter inserts, cartridges, floss, carbon, and argon. Inspect tubing, connections, air stones, skimmers, and other parts for proper operation. Clean the aquarium top to assure your lighting is not effective. Check the expiration dates printed on the boxes and bottles of the aquarium supplies you use. Do not use after the imprinted date. Expired test kits will give false readings and may prompt you to take unnecessary action. Watch next. How to make planted tank. Low-tech aquarium, basic information. Or, how to buy fish for aquarium.